morning students. Now we will continue our same topic, that is the center tendency part 2 median. Already we had seen the individual series, discrete series and the formula of the continuous series. Today we will continue the example of the continuous series. So don't waste your time and write down the new example of continuous series. Now in the continuous series, as you know, we are using two formula and your x is given here 0 to 10, 10 to 20, 20 to 30, 30 to 40 and 40 to 50. Clear? Now frequency is also given to you 3, 4, 2, 7 and 9. Simply as you do earlier, just find out your what here. Just first total of this, it should be the 25. It means your sigma f or your n is 25. Now find out the cumulative frequency 3, 3 and 4, 7, 7 and 2, 9, 16 and 25. 25, 25 same हो गया. It means your cumulative frequency is correct. Now first use first formula. It means size of n by tooth observation. Now size of what is your n beta? 25. So 20 by tooth observation. Now size of what is 20 into by 12.5th observation. Clear? So पहले जैसे करते थे earlier, you do that only. 12.5 means this is your class median group. This is your median group. तो यहाँ आपको लिख देना है median group. Now listen. First write down the formula m equal to L plus n by 2 minus CF upon F into C. This is your formula. First, now with the help of the formula, we just find out the what is our L. जैसे मैंने पहले बताया था previous lecture में, L it means your whatever you find out your mean, that is the your L. So L equal to 30. And इसी का lower class interval. Now we need n by 2. So already you just find out 12.5. So 12.5 is your n by 2. Now C it means your class interval. Here your class interval is 10. Now what you want? Frequency. So मैंने पहले बताया frequency whatever you find out the mean. Same 7. So 7 is frequency. But when we are talking about the cumulative frequency, so cumulative frequency कौन सी लेनी है? अपर वाली. 16 नहीं लेंगे, 9 लेंगे. बस यहाँ यही डिफरेंस है. बाकी सब सेम ग्रुप का लोगे, बट क्यूमुलेटिव फ्रीक्वेंसी अपर साइड की लोगे. फाइन. चलो. Put the value. This is your formula. Again I am writing here only. N by 2 minus CF upon F into C. So what is your L beta? 30 plus N by 2 it means 12.5 minus CF 9 divided by F your 7 and 10. So just calculate this value. It should be 30 plus 5. It means your n equal to 35. Now you got only one value. अगर हम पहले की मेथड अप्लाई करते तो हाउ कैन वी फाइंड आउट व्हाट इज अवर एक्स? मे बी 30, 31, 32, 33, 33.5 also. But here we got the perfect answer. Our median is 35. Clear students? This is all about the, we can say, continuous series. Now for the more practice we can do another sum also. Now write down another sum value of median. So 10 to 20 and last 10 to 20, 20 to 30, 30 to 40, 40 to 50, 50 to 60, 60 to 70, 70 to 80 and last is 80 to 90. Now what is your end? Now write down the frequency 15, 21, 35, 15, 21, 35, 52, 49, 52, 49, 17 and then 3 and 1. 3 and 1. Now just put the total of frequency. So your frequency becomes 193. Now find out the cumulative frequency. First 15 as usual. Now just total it. 15 plus 21, it becomes 6 and 36. 36 plus 35, it's become 71 and 3 and 123. 123 plus 49, it's 172. Then 172 plus 17, 189 and 192 and 193. So your answer is correct. Now put the both formula. First we are using small one. Size of n by tooth observation. Keep in your mind, students, here don't use +1 anywhere. Now size of n by 2, it means 193 divided by tooth observation. Just 192 divided by 2, it's become 96.5th observation. 96.5th observation. So see the which is your class rank 96.5. It means this is your mean group. Median group मिल गया आपको. Now this is your L. So your L is 40. Your frequency is 52. So frequency is 52. Your CF मतलब इसके ऊपर वाला, it means 71. Your C, चलो इसका C कितना है बेटा? What is the class interval? It should be the 10. So your C equal to 10 and already n by 2 you got. N by 2 equal to 96.5. Clear? Now put the value in the formula. N by 2 minus CF upon F into C. Now what is your L? 40 plus 96.5 minus 71 upon 52 into 10. Just find out the value. 96 minus 71, then divided by 52. So it becomes 4.90. So your median becomes 44.90 marks. Listen students, यहाँ यूनिट लिखना जरूरी है. क्यों लिखना जरूरी है? Because answer should be in the unit. Unit given है तो unit लिखना जरूरी है. Otherwise half mark deducted by the examiner. Clear everyone? This is for the continuous series. ये continuous series का example हुआ. Now for the more clear explanations, we just do the one more sum also. Now different type of sum. जैसे मैंने पहले बोला था, we are using this ascending order as well as descending order also. So उसके लिए एक example देखते हैं first. Now in the example, it is given to लाइक दिस, आपको CF उल्टा निकालना है, क्यों? क्योंकि हमने अलग अरेंजमेंट किया है. When we are talking about the ascending, so smallest to biggest, or when we are talking about the descending, it means biggest to smallest. So उल्टा डायरेक्शन यूज करो. और maybe if you want required, this is really very difficult, क्योंकि हर बात उल्टी सोचनी डिफिकल्ट है. So it is the convenient solution. अगर आप ऐसे करोगे तो भी आंसर सेम ही आएगा, आंसर में कोई फर्क नहीं पड़ेगा. बट यहाँ आपको, जैसे हम लोग क्या करते थे बेटा, CF ऊपर वाला लेते थे, यहाँ CF नीचे वाला लेना पड़ेगा. मतलब हर चीज उल्टी सोचनी डिफिकल्ट हो जाएगी. सो बेटर वी जस्ट पुट दिस सीरीज इन द असेंडिंग ऑर्डर. डिसेंडिंग में करोगे आंसर रिमेन सेम, बट योर वे ऑफ थिंकिंग अगेन एंड अगेन हमको चेंज करनी पड़ेगी. Better we put the in this ascending order. So first we put the marks. So 0 to 10, 10 to 20, 20 to 30, and 30 to 40, and 40 to 50. Clear? Now number of students. This is your frequency. Now 0 to 10 की जो frequency है उसके साथ साथ जाएगी. आप उसको change नहीं कर सकते, आप frequency ऐसे कैसे नहीं लिख सकते, because this is the denoted कि 0 to 10 marks having the one student only having the 0 to 10 marks, 10 to 20 marks 9 students having the 10 to 20 marks. So frequency move with the their observation. So that is 1, 9, 12, 7 and 2. Your n becomes 31 here also. Clear? If the data is given in the descending form, first you put the in the ascending. अब आपका डेटा वही हो गया जो आपको चाहिए. Now find out your cumulative frequency. So 1, 10, 22, 29 and 31. 31 perfect? Yes. Now find out your n. So m equal to size of n by truth observation. So size of 31 by truth observation, then size of 15.5th observation. Now see your values clearly. Find your m equal to l plus n by 2 minus f upon f into c. Now here your l, you just find out this is 15.5. So your l is 15.5 here. So your l is 20. Your f is 12 and your cf is 10. ऊपर वाला लेते हैं. This is your median group. Now your l equal to 20. Your cf equal to 10. Your frequency becomes 12. C class interval कितना बेटा, 20 to 30 का 10. So 10 and n by 2 already you just find out, n by 2 equal to 15.55. Clear? Now solve it. Put the value in the formula. M equal to what is L? 20 plus 15.5 minus 10 divided by 12 into 10. Now 20 plus, just find out this value. 4.58. So your n becomes 24.58 marks. Clear? This is about the continuous series. If the data is given in the descending order, just put the first in the ascending order, then find out the as usual as you need. Clear? I hope you can understand about this method. This is a very easy also, and median is more easy than the mean. Mean में बहुत सारी calculation है. Median only cumulative frequency is required. Fine. So this is all about the today. Next lecture we will continue with the median and mode also. Thank you.